Go figure. Raining every day in the rainy season. Who'd guess it? So I'll show you in a minute why it's, well, I wouldn't say good idea, but I just don't, I'm not comfortable bringing the car into Centro and then having to park it up, because obviously I'm trying to sell the car, so I don't want it damaged. Otherwise I'll be paying for repairs and throwing more money away. And just for an example, we were in a shop other day and this guy come in shouting and roping, and when I asked Mel what had happened, she said he went out to have a look at his car and somebody had scraped right down the side, put a great big gouge in the side of his door, and there wasn't anything parked round him. There was plenty of space, but these Pajak drivers, they come so close to your car, and like you've seen here, they just turn around in front of you, they turn around in the middle of the road. The trikes do the same thing, and it's just so dangerous. But you know, welcome to the Philippines. You've got to be so careful, like I've explained before. Now look, see these two policemen walking towards me here? There'll be another two policemen round the corner. There's police all over Naga, and that's why I can say hand on my heart that it's one of the safest, if not the safest, cities in the Philippines. Now see, it's easier to park your bike, as you can see, if you come into Naga. So I'm always using my bike, it's faster. To me, I'm more comfortable driving my bike inside Naga. I mean, if you go outside on the main roads and stuff, it's fine. But if you're just mucking about, unless like now we've got to pick something up, then obviously you need to bring your car or your van in. You know, if you do bulk shopping, if you live outside in Naga. Look at this trike here, look, straight out. If I was a policeman in the UK and he'd have done that to me, he'd have been pulled in straight away. But as my wife keeps reminding me, well, you're not in the UK, Chris, are you? You're in the Philippines. Yes, I am, babe, yeah. So see, these will walk in front of you, they expect you to stop. So it can be quite challenging. See this one here, look, turning in, indicator on. Now my baby should be here, but as usual, she's not where she's supposed to be. So now you see, I can't park here. Oh, she's there, look. Oh, it's over there. Okay. Right, I'm going to turn the camera off here because we can't do that anymore. Let's go in now. Is it? Hold on. Yeah, it's alright.
Say hi, Matthew. Matthew! Uy! Uy! You're bigger now. Why you so handsome? Like daddy? Right? No, joke lang. Yes, he smell also. Right? Uy, look at the camera. Yeah. Ooh, Matthew. First time we bring Matthew. Right?
Yeah. Well, it's cool enough in the car, isn't it?
Yeah.
Just been saying how concerned I am it's going to start raining.
Yeah. I thought it's good na, the weather. Oh, we can go later in Robinson. Yeah.
What?
Robinson, we can go
Hold
after.
on, let me put the windows up. What did you say?
Let's go to Robinson later.
Yeah.
later.
Well, we've got nothing else to do, have we?
Yeah, it's boring the house.
And it doesn't matter if it rains there, does it?
Yeah.
No, if you don't push yourself out, nobody's going to let you out. You'll sit here all day, won't you? It just makes me... Look at him! Jesus. I'll have to cut that
Have
out.
you been in airport?
Well, the airport's
in
in
Pili?
Pili.
No, in Naga.
There's no airport in Naga, babe.
No, I'm just joking.
Yes, I know you are. I'm just joking with you.
Do you want to go there? I will show you.
Right, I'm just thinking, where's Pili? Is it?
Pili.
I know where it is. It's just other side to where we're going to Robinson's, though, isn't it?
Yeah. Oh, we can go first to... Where do you want to go first?
Well, I don't
Pili?
think we're going to be able to show them a lot in Pili, are we? It's like, this is the airport. Yeah? Okay. So I think we'll just go to Robinson's.
Okay. You're so lazy boy.
Yes, I saw lazy boy.
Daddy lazy, right? Matthew? Oh, Matthew's hungry now. Look the mouth. Are you punching your daddy? Oh, start crying na. Don't cry, you look pangit. Matthews.
It's another world driving here, guys. It really is.
That's why you need to careful. Oh, Matthew hungry now. Hungry.
Oh, this is new. He's normally asleep.
He's hungry.
So you know where we're going, guys. We're going to deliver some food to the refuse family.
Ate Gloria, is it Ate Gloria?
Ate Gloria.
Ay, Edna, I mean.
Is it
Sorry.
Edna?
Yeah, Edna.
Ate Edna.
Edna.
Now this is going to be a bit dodgy, isn't it? If I park here, it's going to block the road off.
Yeah, because the road is narrow. That's why.
Right, we're going to have to go around
There's
to
a
the tip.
motorcycle at the back, and careful.
We're going to have to go around to the tip.
Yeah.
And then we're going to have somebody there quickly to help get the sack of rice. Now we come a few days ago before it started raining with a few groceries, but because it was raining we didn't want to get the rice, so we're delivering the rice today. But it's an absolute nightmare when you're in a vehicle because there's
no
roadworks everywhere as well.
Over there and beside this.
I don't think they're on the tip, Mal. Or if they are, they're at the other side, aren't they? So basically we're going to go and find Ate Edna.
Yeah.
And
Did you smell?
what?
Did you smell what I smell?
Yeah, the smell's horrendous, isn't it?
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way.